Ever wish the smartest gadgets were also the easiest to carry? These small but genius Amazon finds are made to go wherever you do, helping you solve everyday problems without taking up extra space. Once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. All products are linked in the description below. One laptop, 4 screens. Zero excuses for a cluttered workflow. This triple monitor extender clips onto your laptop and instantly gives you 3 extra 15.6-inch displays, all connected with a single USB-C cable. No extra stands, no tangled cables, no complicated setup. Whether you're coding, analyzing data, managing spreadsheets, or juggling multiple apps at once, everything gets its own screen so you stop constantly switching tabs. The top display automatically rotates when folded back, adapting to however you position your setup without any manual adjusting. Built from aluminum alloy, it sits sturdy and stable without putting stress on your laptop's screen. Low blue light technology keeps your eyes comfortable during long work sessions. Works with most laptops running Mac, Windows, or Linux. Your morning espresso shouldn't depend on finding a cafe. This pocket-sized machine heats water and pulls a proper shot with 20 bar pressure, the same level used in professional machines, delivering rich, creamy espresso wherever you happen to be. It heats itself using a built-in USB-C rechargeable battery, so no power outlet, no campsite hookup required. One button is all it takes, and your espresso is ready in about 3 minutes. Works with both ground coffee and capsules, so you're never stuck without options. 3 built-in batteries give you up to 5 shots per charge, or hundreds if you start with hot water. At under 670 grams, it slips easily into a backpack, gym bag, or carry-on. Dead battery, flat tire. This one device handles both. This compact jump starter packs enough power to start gas and diesel engines in virtually any weather, from well below freezing to scorching summer heat. Clamp it on, and your car is running again in seconds without waiting for another driver to show up. When you're done jumping, it doubles as a 150 PS tire inflator, pumping a flat back up to pressure in minutes with a live display showing exactly where you're at. That's not all. It also works as a power bank for your phone, a flashlight, and even an SOS signal in emergencies. Up to 80 jump starts on a single charge means it's always ready when you need it most. Forget unrolling a tape measure and squinting at tiny markings. This pocket-sized smart roller measures straight lines, curves, circles, and even irregular shapes by simply rolling it along the surface, then displays the result instantly on its screen. It handles 5 different measurement types, so whether you're measuring a wall, a pipe, or a winding countertop edge, it gets the job done accurately to within a millimeter. Over 90 built-in scales cover everything from everyday home projects to professional architectural plans, and you can create custom scales for anything not already included. Connect it to the free app via Bluetooth and transfer measurements directly to your phone, then export them as CAD or PDF files. At barely 1.6 ounces, it disappears into your pocket. Hot days just met their match, and it fits in your pocket. This tiny bladeless fan clips right onto your shirt, belt, or bag and blows a quiet, steady stream of cool air directly at you, hands-free. 3 speed settings let you dial it from a gentle breeze to a full whirlwind, whatever the moment calls for. The 360-degree rotating vent means you point the airflow exactly where you need it. With no exposed blades, it's completely safe around kids, and at under 25 decibels, it runs quietly enough for an office or a sleeping baby nearby. It charges via USB-C, so your power bank keeps it going all day. Who says you can't play golf at your desk? This miniature golf set turns your desktop into a putting green without anyone noticing. 3 golf club-shaped pens write in black, blue, and red ink, so they're genuinely useful between rounds. When work gets slow, set up the tiny flagstick, line up one of the 2 mini golf balls, and take your shot right there on the desk. It all comes packaged in a little golf course gift box, so it looks great straight out of the box. Golfers love it, co-workers steal it, and bosses somehow always end up playing with it too. Whether it's a birthday, a secret Santa, or just a Tuesday pick-me-up, this is the kind of gift that makes everyone in the office smile. Not every photo needs a phone. This tiny camera clips onto your bag, hangs around your neck, or slips into your pocket, ready to shoot whenever a moment happens. It captures 1080p video and photos up to 48 megapixels, so your memories come out sharp and detailed despite the compact size. 5 built-in filters let you switch between vintage, black and white, and more with a tap, giving your shots a creative edge straight out of the camera. A self-timer and flash mean you're covered for group shots and low-light moments too. An 8GB memory card is already included, so you're shooting from the moment you open the box. Connect it to your computer via USB-C to transfer photos or use it as a webcam. No controller, no co-pilot, no problem. This self-flying drone takes off right from the palm of your hand and follows you automatically, tracking your every move at up to 15 miles per hour. Whether you're cycling, hiking, or skateboarding, it stays locked on you and captures the whole thing in smooth 2.7K video with a triple stabilization system that eliminates shaky footage. Pre-programmed flight paths let you pull off cinematic shots, orbits, zoom outs, bird's eye views, without touching a controller. It weighs just 125 grams, lighter than most smartphones, and folds down small enough to slip into a bag. No FAA registration required, so you can fly it anywhere without paperwork. With 32 gigabytes of built-in storage, your footage stays private and ready to share straight from the app. Big, light, tiny package. This flat pocket-sized flashlight punches out 400 lumens and reaches up to 82 meters. Serious brightness for something that weighs barely 52 grams. A sliding switch cycles through low, medium, and high white light and flips over to a full RGB mode with 7 colors for signaling or setting a mood at camp. The lamp head rotates 180 degrees, so you can angle the beam precisely without repositioning the whole light. A built-in magnet sticks it hands-free to any metal surface, car hood, fridge, door frame, whenever you need both hands free. It charges fully in just 90 minutes via USB-C and runs up to 65 hours on the lowest setting. Clip it to your keychain, toss it in a bag, or keep it in a drawer for emergencies. Dead devices don't wait for a convenient moment, and neither does this. This 20,000 mAh power bank delivers 140 watts of output, fast enough to charge a MacBook Pro from 0 to 50% in just 40 minutes. 2 ports charge a laptop and a phone simultaneously, so nothing gets left waiting. The LCD display shows exactly how much power is left and what's happening with your charge at a glance. No guessing, no surprises. At 72 watt-hours, it's airline safe, so it travels with you without getting pulled at security. The transparent design lets you see the internal components right through the casing, which looks as good as it functions. It's compatible with over 1,000 devices, covering everything from iPhones to tablets to gaming handhelds. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.